In this video, I'll show you how to add a vignette effect to a video online using Veed.io. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I'll begin by creating a new project here, and once we click on that particular option, it's going to load up the options for us to start adding our videos and images, etc., whatever you want to use. So here we go. Now I'm going to upload a file and I'll just drag and drop it. This particular file, just drag and drop it there. It's a good file of a bee getting some nectar and pollen. Really good. So a vignette effect is more or less the darkening of the edges to give more or less an artistic look and more or less draw attention of the viewer to this particular clip that you have right inside there. So I'll click on this particular clip, and once I do that, I'll click the option to adjust. From the adjust option, you'll see a bunch of options. You'll see the option to rotate, color correction, and we can scroll down slightly and you'll see the option to add a vignette. If I scroll this slider to the right, see what happens to our video. So it starts getting dark up to the edge. So it looks really good. That's the original. That's the vignette effect added. A good artistic look with darkened edges, drawing viewers into what you probably want them to focus on. If we play this, that's what it looks like with the vignette effect added. Really awesome effect right there. And without, it looks something like that. Maybe not drawing more of the attention that we might need or deserve or desire for our video, or maybe that particular image that you want. But that is how you can add a vignette effect to a video online using Veed.io. I hope this tutorial is of value to you. Thank you so much for watching.